video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a fishing rod set. This is a fishing rod holders for a garage, a shed, or something like that. And this thing will hold up to 12 different fishing rods, anything from spinning to bait casters to like a fishing nets. You can, and I will put this to the test. So let me go ahead and take it out of the box here and show you what you get, because I just got it in here, and I'm going to show you. Check this out. Wow, this looks awesome. Look at the quality of this thing. You can see it has the large hole and the small holes that seems to be different sizes for that, and there's not much to it. It looks like this is on a ball bearing, so you put that on and it spins like that, so you get those two. And then in this package, look, you even get, you know, a set of hardware. Let's open this up. They give you your own screwdriver. Looks like there's no instructions for this, so it looks like I'm going to be figuring this out on my own. An inserted nut there. My guess is you would go like that. Go from the bottom. Yeah, just like that. And then screw it down. There's that piece. And then this one, I would think, just goes like that. So there's really not much to it. Looks like you want to line the large holes and the small holes up there. Well, they give you 2 extra ones. Screw this one down. The quality on this seems very good. Pretty simple. So yeah, there it is. I actually put it all together, and it looks like these are just extra screws that they added to it. These non-slip pads would go at each edge like this. And that must be something for assembly. That's why that screw's there. That screw is so they can assemble the ball bearing in there through the manufacturing. I see that now, why they did that. So that hole doesn't do anything. You put these pads on, there's a non-slip pad like that, and those are just extra screws. And there you go. This thing looks awesome. It's a nice pine looking finish. It's coated. It feels like it has like a lacquer, like thinner on top of it, so it feels really good, and it seems to work really well. Let me get some fishing rods, a few nets, and let me load this thing down, because I do have several rods, and let's see how this thing works. So let's do that now. All right, there it is, everybody. I just loaded it all in there. You could see how it holds a net. I have the Cast King net in there. I've got my loose rod, my spinning reel, my bait casters. Seems to hold them really well. The thing that I think it holds the best are more of these solid handles. This is like the cork solid handle. It seems to hold those a lot better because of the width there. It works just fine for me. You could see how it's holding them right there and spins around as I need it. If you had this in the edge of a garage, you could put them all there, load them down, and then just spin it around. It seems to balance out better when you got more in there. It's not leaning, it's not moving, and it spins around nicely. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the fishing rod holder. See you guys in the next video. Woo!